It is a beautiful day and I am in downtown Franklin. I'm just gonna walk around and I'm trying to work on taking some pictures with this camera. I usually just keep it on a tripod sitting in my office, and I thought, you know, I need to learn to take pictures. So here we are. There's the Williamson County Judicial Center. Over there, that is Puckett's, which has been around forever. I've always loved this little parking garage right here. It is a beautiful day out today, but it is so dang hot out here. This is cool. This is like a little outdoor sitting area for mellow mushroom. Hey, how are you? I took a ghost tour at one time, and I think I remember they said that this house right here, people had seen ghosts there. Maybe the ghosts will show up in my picture. I love when there's like these trees like forming to make like a canopy over the sidewalks. I feel like it just such a cool look in it. Look at this place, guys. It's called Triple Crown Bakery. What a cool looking little place. This is, of course, famous Main Street. Oh, the Red Pony. I wonder what people would think of Franklin if it didn't have this downtown. Would it be considered as nice of a place? I don't know. I think what's funny is a lot of us don't even come down here all the time, but it's just nice having it here. There's the good old Franklin Theater. It's just nice to have the option. To tell you, if you ever want to have people look at you weird, just drop a GoPro to your chest and walk around. Like I said, guys, I am no photographer, but I've got this camera here that is real nifty and nice, and I thought, I need to learn how to use the dang thing. Love that. I think Franklin downtown, it just has this like charm to it. Lots of old houses, and churches, and these little Civil War cannons. There's just lots of history. Can't run across here real quick. Oh, I want to jump in this fountain so bad right now. Oh my gosh. Oh. What a weirdo. Super weird. Walking around with a GoPro strapped to my chest, taking pictures. So you got one old church right there. There's another one over there, another one over there. And then you got one up over here. I think that's just a testament to what the South is all about. Faith, family, food. My goal was to try to like take some kind of artistic type pictures, but it is so hot out here, I can hardly concentrate. My camera is saying that it's overheating just from walking around and taking pictures. Damn, glass windows are like amazing. I wonder how much it costs to have something like that made. It's got to be a fortune. This JJ's Wine Bar, I think, is the coolest looking little old house. It's a cool place to go drink wine as well, but such a cool look. I'm taking you guys down like some different back roads here around downtown. There's all these like antique shops. It's like this one right here. I feel like everybody's always walking right down Main Street to show you guys downtown Franklin, and there's just a lot more than that. So that's why I'm taking you down all these back roads, like right here. Wine, whiskey, and wisdom. That, my friends, is a cool spot. Look at this, a children's boutique. This right here is called the Coffee House. Such a neat little place. Check this out. Little areas to sit. If you ever want good chocolate, guys, stop at Kilwin's. All right, guys, due to overheating, I'm gonna have to wrap this up.